What's up, guys? It's your boy D Fresh in the building. Guys, what a heck of a day we had today. Today was crazy. It was fun. Shout out to you guys that made money today. If you made money today, let me know in the comments below. Let me know what ticker you made money on and how much you made on that ticker right there, where you got out of that play at. Man, it was a fun day. Man, I seen you guys grinding. I am proud of you guys that stayed in the plays, the guys that understood the assignment and knocked it out of the ballparks. We're going to keep doing that. But man, today, Tesla was that play, that $30 play that you looking for. These are life-changing plays if you able to catch it and get on it. Guys, we jumped on Tesla early this morning. We was able to catch the downside, and then we was able to catch that ride back up. And as you see, I had a play in the Discord on the drop. I told you guys where we were coming back down. We was coming back down to 382. And as you see, they came back to 382. I even put in the Discord, hey, Bears getting weak right here. They bouncing off that 50. And man, you see what happened? That purple line right there, that is my 50 EMA. They bounced off that 50. And what happened? Boom! We went from 382 to 388. That's a heck of a play right there. And now we chopping. Guys, I put this play out in my training video a couple weeks ago. Man, this was the perfect, everything that I talked about in that training video. If you took notes and you watched, man, this was classic. The 9 EMA, we have come over that 20 EMA. The 20 is the orange, the 9 is the yellow. What happens? What did I say we was waiting on? We was waiting on the 9 EMA to go over the 20 EMA. And what was the next thing? Engulfing green bullish candle. And you see this big candle right there? Right here. That was your entry. Boom. Check that out. We sitting at 396 from 388. That's crazy. They chopped. And what did I tell you in that video? As long as that 9 EMA, they don't close up under it, and even more, if you want more of a little bit longer wait in there, as long as they don't close up under the 20 EMA, which is my orange line, we riding that thing all the way to the finish line. And you see another engulfing green candle. Boom! We running that thing up. Guys, I'm giving you levels out there. I'm telling you, hey, we stay above 403.75, we gonna keep running. And you see they kept running. Boom, we sitting up at 406.80. I think I gave you a play 408.55, and I said if we start closing over that level right there, hello 411. And you see we chopped a little bit once we hit that 408.55, and then we came down to test that 20. We never closed up under the 20. We still safe in our plays. And what happened after that? Boom! We sitting at 409. I'm telling you guys, 411.10 is on deck. And you see what happened? We crashed right through that. We end up running up to 411.70. So guys, man, shout out to you guys that understood the assignment and dominated and made money. Great job. Even better job executing the plays. I'm super duper proud of you guys. But one thing I want to put out there, I know everybody, oh man, let me get calls, let me get calls, let me get calls. Hold off, hold off. I wouldn't jump so fast, not just yet. They still in an area that they can come back down to this area at 400.65. This was, remember when we was all the way up at 440 and I said that we was going to come back down to this 400 level? Remember, I said what was the make or break level? 415.25. That's the make or break levels. I anticipate this to probably boom up to 415.20, 415.25. And once they get to that area right there, we want to see bullish candles after that. If we get bullish candles, we running up to 420, and then they can start running this thing even higher. You got 426, but I want to see what goes on at 415.25. If we break that, if we start consolidating and start getting that bearish pullback, you want to see 411.20 get taken out. They can start taking out that. You already know we coming back down to 465. Guys, I'll update more levels come Sunday night when I drop that video. I just want to show a little love to you guys that stayed patient in this play and rode it and made money in this play. And guys, that's in the Discord, we started out right out of the gate. SPY, knock that one out. You could have ate on the way up in SPY, on the way down. They gave you 2 plays. Tesla, they gave you 2 plays. They gave you some plays going up. They gave you some plays going down. RBXL, we started early on them. Knocked that one out of the ballpark. That one went up to almost $61. If you'd have took that call, break at 59.20, you made money on that. Palantir went absolutely nuts. And we knocked that one out of the ballpark. Right here, we started right out of the gate at 936. Which one is this? This is RBXL. Boom. Another banger. Don't be greedy. A couple minutes after that, Tesla, another one. Boom. Another banger. Palantir, knocked that one out of the ballpark. SPY, out of the ballpark. NVIDIA, knocked that one out of the ballpark. Guys, we over here grinding. We knocking these plays out of the ballpark, making money. It's a beautiful thing. And for you guys that's paying attention to the plays, you got to stay patient. The stock market isn't going to go straight up. They're going to give you the roller coaster rides. That's what Wall Street do to try to trick you out of your plays. You got to stay patient. Guys, I'm not going to put a play out there if I don't feel comfortable with that play doing what I think it's going to do. If I give you a level, I'm not saying you got to trust that thing with all you got in there, but you understand, look at my track record. If I say it's going there, that means I've did the work, I put the research in, I've studied it, I charted it. It's highly probable that that play is going to come to that area right there. And as you see, I was somebody in the Discord today, and hey, I ain't putting you out there, love you like a brother, but I think the message was, man, Tesla, I thought if we got a candle close above 405.75, I think it was going to continue to go up. Man, it don't work that way. Sometimes they got to retest it again. They got to come back down. All that is you want to see that. You want to see the test and the retest. You want to see a play get to a certain level and then get smacked back down. Man, they building steam. Them boys was building that steam. But one thing that I teach you guys, if you know anything about how I teach that 9 EMA and that 20 EMA. And as it was playing and doing whatever it was doing, that's why I put that comment out there. I said, all right, guys, as long as that 9 EMA and the 20 don't get violated, then we good. The first sign to see if we start closing up under that 9 and then we get to that 20. We get to that 20 and then you got a short day contract. You got to get out of that play right there because it's a good chance that play is going to go left. But guys, if I'm throwing these plays out there, I'm throwing these plays out there because I have paid attention to it. And I'm pretty sure that these plays is going to come back to the area that I thought it was going to come to. And here's that Tesla play. Tesla, it's at the 50 EMA. It's having some issues there. Bulls can try and make a run back up from here. If bears can hold on under the 50, they coming down to 380.40. I said, don't be greedy. It's Friday. Tesla usually finishes green. Protect your profits. That was for you guys that was playing the downside. That was the mayday, the mayday, the mayday. I didn't like what the action at the 50 EMA. I knew they was ready to pop that thing. If you pay attention to the history of Tesla on Friday, they always boom that thing. So I knew something crazy was ready to happen, and it was magical after that. But guys, you already know I'm grinding for you guys, and I'm trying to put the best plays out there, and that's why you get to expect anything different.
Expect anything different?
Never should expect anything different. When I'm putting those plays out there, trust it. Guys that's watching that's not part of the Discord, make sure you get into the Discord. That way you got full access to my morning call outs as well as the technical analysis breakdowns on the top plays throughout the session. Hey, I done took enough of your time, but if you like sniper type, level to level periodic breakdowns of your favorite tickers, SPY, NVIDIA, Tesla, Palantir, Hood, Nike, go ahead and join me on my Discord. The link is in the description above. If you like this kind of content, do me a favor. Go ahead and hit that like button below. Subscribe to the channel. That way, anytime we drop a video, you get the notification. And as always, we're grinding. Good luck out there, and let's get it. Boom.